AIM Industries is an in-school, student-run manufacturing laboratory for Platinum students that operates in partnership with local companies. The goal of AIM Industries is to address the skills gap in the advanced manufacturing field by engaging you in a meaningful education. These professional skills are developed through teamwork and the relationships you make while running the student-led manufacturing business. Regardless of your technical skills, AIM Industries can prepare you for success as this program bridges the gap between your career technical education and the workplace.
Coming to Vanguard was the best decision I've made in my life so far. I didn't love school and felt like I wasn't learning. Then I came here and all that changed. Now I feel I am job ready and prepared for a great paying job.
The in-school laboratory will expose you to potential manufacturing related careers, while at the same time put your technical skills to use. As a bonus, you will have a direct line of communication with local businesses and learn firsthand the professional skills they are looking for in their employees.